Welcome to the Flarelight tutorial series, Hair Salon Data Made Simple. Last time, we created a clear dashboard to understand our January data. Today, we're going to make that whole setup automatic. Each month, you'll get a brand new dashboard based on one template. Simply upload your latest data, and the system builds it for you. First, let's rename our import from January data to monthly sales data. This will allow us to reuse the same import and automate the rest of the process. We'll do the same for the data preparation. We want the same data cleaning to apply to new data we upload every month. We have our summary analysis as well, so let's rename that too. It gives us a simple overview of revenue and duration of appointments. And we'll do the same for the dashboard itself. We want to get a new dashboard for each month when we upload new data. Now that we renamed all the steps, let's create a new automation so we don't have to execute those steps manually each time. I'll call it monthly sales data as well, to match everything else. Since we want our automation to execute when we upload new data, we'll use the data import trigger, which we will configure to use our data import. Next, we will add a data preparation node, which will execute our existing data preparation. And we'll do the same with the analysis node. Note that we are always connecting the nodes so they execute in order. And finally, we will use the generate report node to create a new version of our dashboard using the latest data. For the automation to execute automatically, it needs to be set active. Now that everything is ready, we can go to our Excel again and upload new data. This time, however, we will upload to an existing data import, and we will choose to overwrite the data instead of appending it. Now that our data is uploaded, let's go back to our automation and check out the Executions tab. Here we can see all our executions and inspect the details of each one. We can see our automation was successful. For this tutorial, I'll navigate to our data to show all steps were updated with new data. We can see our month column now shows February. And we can see the same in our data preparation. We also have a new report ready, with new version and new date. Our new dashboard now shows February data. And that's it for part 4. You now have a fully automated workflow for generating monthly dashboards by simply uploading new data. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel to get notified when new videos come out.